Boo! Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
लेकिन एक सेकंड
अरे it's me only. अरे सोनाक्षी, अब जिसके चैनल पर आए हो वही तो हूँ यार. It's just a little skincare that I'm doing before I do my makeup. क्या? I'm sorry, what? आप पूछ रहे हो कि मैं ये उल्टे में तैयार क्यों हो रही हूँ? क्योंकि मेरे नेल्स डन है, मेरे कॉस्ट्यूम नहीं, कपड़े डन है, एक्सेसरीज डन है, हेयर डन है, तो मैं ये स्किन केयर अभी क्यों कर रही हूँ? वेल, इसका जवाब मेरे पास नहीं है, सो वी विल नॉट बी आंसरिंग दैट, बट आई एम ऑलमोस्ट डन विथ माई स्किन केयर क्योंकि मैं ये कुछ 5-7 मिनट पहले लगा कर रख चुकी हूँ एंड आई थिंक आई विल टेक इट ऑफ नाउ. एक्चुअली ये मैंने आज किया आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम क्योंकि आई वॉज फीलिंग वेरी वेरी ड्राई ऑन माई स्किन, सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट गो अ लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा माइल बिफोर आई स्टार्ट माई मेकअप टुडे. और अब मैं ये सारा सीरम अपने स्किन में घुसेड़ दूंगी. आई हैव जस्ट gotten back from a nice relaxing detox trip to Goa. एंड आज ही मुझे अपने दोस्त की प्री वेडिंग पार्टी पर जाना है एंड ज़हीर हैज़ गॉन टू अटेंड अ वेडिंग बिफोर दैट एंड आई एम हियर गेटिंग रेडी एंड आई विल मीट हिम ओवर देयर. आई हैव प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम टू गेट रेडी, सो व्हाट शैल आई डू टुडे? दिस इज व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग.
है मुझसे कोई स्मार्ट? बताओ खुद. नहीं तुम खुद दे. मैं ये नहीं कहता, तुम मेरी बात मानो, तुम खुद देखो ना.
And because it's black, white and yellow, I think I can do, and I'm wearing gold accessories, gold nails. By the way, these are Asli Sona. I wonder why. And you can get them on our website, soeasy.in. Don't forget, and you can get lots more where that came from. So go check it out now. Anyway, coming back to what I'm wearing, I think I'm going to do some black and gold on my eyes today. Keep the lips light, nude, and let's see where that goes. Starting off with primer. Skin is already feeling like super fresh. आज मैं कुछ नया मेकअप भी लाई हूँ which we are gonna try out. मैं जब ये डिटॉक्स ट्रिप पर गई थी तो मेरे पास बहुत टाइम होता था. I used to be sitting alone in my room all day long और मेरे पास शॉपिंग के अलावा और कोई चारा नहीं था. So I have gone and shopped for a lot of things. और आज जब मैं घर आई हूँ, there's this big pile of boxes on my dining table waiting for me. That's so exciting, no? Sometimes I love it. मुझे बहुत मजा आया खोल के. कोई रोक लो मुझे यार, कोई like I need to stop. Should I do my eyes first or face? I think I should do eyes now because there could be fallout. कौन सा palette use करें? Taking a big fluffy brush and dipping it into the dark brown and going for the crease. It's okay. It's all good. Don't worry. Be happy. Very, very nice. Deep. A fly just came and sat on my nose. Chotu fruit flies, which are very, very irritating. One of those. Okay, इसके नीचे हम थोड़ा black लेंगे, black. And blend, 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 blend. Taking another fluffy brush and going in for a lighter brown, which is from another palette. Show you which color I use actually. मैंने ये बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट वाला ब्राउन लिया है and I'm just blending the black and the brown from earlier और ये बहुत अच्छे से हो रहा है. So that brown was a good call. Okay, अब मैं इसे ज़्यादा मिस नहीं करूँगी, otherwise बिगड़ जाएगा. Now I want to go in with some gold. Maybe this. Very gold, but it'll match with my earrings. So I think we can. I messed it up. Clean that a little. This again and dip it into the brown. Oh, but ho gaya. Kind of. Sorry, I'm dancing because नीचे कहीं पे कोई पार्टी चल रही है and they're playing bolo tararara, so can't help it. Taking this brown now. Very nice. I like it. Well done, well done. थोड़ा साफ कर लेते हैं वरना पूरे फेस पर लग जाएगा. That would be nice. Okay, so let's clean this. Nice. Under the eyes I will do later, so then now I can move to concealer. Want to fix something here, so I'm taking a flat thin brush and going in with the gold again. Yeah, looks more complete now. Okay, foundation. I have called for this new Huda Beauty. Ew, why is the box so dirty?
Brother, what's that?
Nika, please send clean boxes. Let me see how this works on my skin. अगर आपको याद है मेरे पास वो पहले Easy Blur foundation था, but I kind of thought that it used to get very very oily on my skin. So I thought I should try this new one. It's a luminous matte faux filter, and try करने के लिए I've called for the mini one just to see how it sits on my skin. I bought the same shade actually जो मेरे पास पहले था in the Easy Blur.
Tresletches.
So I just thought I'll stick to the same shade because that was a good shade actually. And this looks like it's gonna be a good shade too. What a match! It's like my skin ate up this foundation. Hello. Really good coverage, okay? All my redness has just vanished. Too good, man. Too good. I think somebody's gonna change their foundation very soon. Although, too soon to say, I'm gonna give you feedback at the end of the night if the foundation has stayed on my face or not. Nice. As you can see, I'm not good with gaps of things. Okay, some cream contour. Why has my husband not called me yet? It's quite okay, he's not left from where he's supposed to leave, so I have time. इसे हम सेट करेंगे कॉन्टूर पाउडर के साथ. And powder for the rest of the face. I forgot nose contour. I'll do it with powder. Wait. And I think क्योंकि मैंने बाल एकदम पीछे बांधे हैं मैंने आज, I can even contour my forehead. आइए ज़रा वापस contours up for the nose. Slightly angular brush. It's too much. I think this would be a better brush. रुको तो सही. इसको थोड़ा झाड़ेंगे हम. Very nice. Forehead contour. Okay, now I've got this brow gel, which I got after Huma asked me that day that where's your setting gel or brow gel, and I said, what the hell is that?
What is that? कैसे करूँगी मैं? चिपकेगी कैसे ऊपर?
So I said, I have to see what this is. It's a very light brown and it's like mascara. So I'm not sure how I'm supposed to use this. Should I experiment today or let it be? Of course I'll experiment. मेरे eyebrows काफ़ी पतले हैं तो इससे ज़्यादा कुछ हो तो नहीं रहा. Oh, is that what's supposed to happen? Hey, कुछ तो हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Wait a minute. Are my eyebrows looking bushy?
ये कैसे हो गया?
Why hasn't anyone told me this before in my life? Look at the difference. Oh, Huma Qureshi, thank you.
मुझे इसका thank you चाहिए.
My eyebrows are legit looking thick. Where has this been my whole life? Ooh. I mean, please guys, look at this. यहाँ पे कुछ गलत हो रहा है. I'm feeling like, oh God, I have messed it up. Oh no. And Zahir is calling. Oh shit. Hello? हाँ Ran. You're coming here or you're going there straight? No, I'll take 10 minutes more. No, you pick me up. Okay, bye. Love you, bye. What have I done? How am I supposed to fix this? God, how did the first one? Oh, is the first one supposed to look like that? I don't think so. I messed up both my eyebrows. Oh god. Why did I do this? This was not the time to experiment. Wait, yaar. Wait, let's get. Oh. All my base has come off from like on top of my eyebrows. अरे यार क्या करती हो तुम भी बच्चे? Oh, that wasn't very tough at all. Oh, sorted. I'll just fix the other eyebrow with my regular pencil, please. इसे हम फिर कभी try करेंगे. But I do want to revisit. Now हम highlighter use करेंगे, but नहीं पहले eyes खत्म करें. Yes. So lovely brush. Okay, this one, छोटू one, and I should go with the same dark brown which I've used from the Huda palette. And then this little gold in the inner corner. And just like that, this felt like the grand finale of the look. Or of the eyes, sorry. Look is left. Wow, that looks so good. Okay, अब हम करेंगे हाइलाइटर. कुछ दिन पहले मेरे घर पे सीक्रेट सैंटा था और मेरे दोस्त माहिर ने मेरे लिए ये हाइलाइटर ड्यूओ खरीदा. एंड आई लव द फैक्ट दैट इट कम्स इन environment friendly packaging. I think that is so cool. It's like kind of thermocol and it says compostable right here, which I love. So we're gonna go with this today. आज मैं थोड़ा experimentation के mood में हूँ तो why not? Really nice. You know, with the brown, I can go here. Pani. No blush today because very dark eye makeup. So let's move to lips. I think yeah, and then I'll put something on top because this is too nude. Although it is very nice. But no, we shall add something on top. Nice. Whew, I think I'm done. Yes. Where's my makeup fixer, man? No, I'm finding the lip actually a bit too pink. So I'm gonna put a third lipstick on top of it. I also called for this mini of a new mascara which I wanted to try. So we're gonna try that. It says one coat. Wow. Let's see. It's not one coat, but it's nice. was not supposed to happen. That was really not supposed to happen. Now I'm pissed. Nobody's ever told me you're not supposed to immediately spray fixer after mascara. Okay. Learning the hard way, guys. Learning the hard way. Learn with me. Oh god, look at that. जो कंसीलर भैया. Done and done. This is where we at, guys. अगर आपको ये look पसंद आया मुझे बताओ. Also tell me what you would have done differently if you were wearing what I'm wearing and if you had the makeup that I had. आप क्या अलग करते हैं? I would really like to know क्योंकि मैं आपसे भी बहुत कुछ सीखती हूँ and I get lots of bright ideas from you guys. So definitely tell me in the comments how you liked it and what you would do differently. Lots of love to you all. I will see you soon with the next look.